It's 1980, the birth decade of the World Wide Web, the time that Tim Berners-Lee decided to change the world by creating the World Wide Web. A change that allowed for a vastly connected world, bringing us into the information age. The web started as just a place for consumers to read what the producers produced. Just a one-way street of information. This is known as Web 1.0. Then in the early 2000s, the web became a place where customers could participate in the production as well, allowing them to read and write. A two-way street. Progressing away from just static websites. This is known as Web 2.0, or just the web. The future is Web 3.0, a decentralized web, a web where the road doesn't bind you, a web where each user paves their own path. Social media brought Web 2.0 into the mainstream, with websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These social media apps have allowed for so much connectivity with friends and strangers. Facebook, with over 3 billion monthly users, is the world's largest social media platform, a website and app that captivates almost all adults, a service that made it easier to connect with people on the other side of the planet than to connect with your own neighbor. Instagram, a social media app that boasts nearly 2 billion monthly users globally, an app that provides for the sharing of funny videos, provides for ideas to be spread quicker than ever before, and provides its users with fuel for America's fastest growing addiction, a service that captivates your entire day. Twitter, a platform with almost 600 million monthly active users, a platform that brings your thoughts to a wide audience, a place where you can share what you ate for breakfast, or where you can profess your opinions about the worst things humanity can imagine. LinkedIn, the world's foremost platform for business connections, a service that has over 1 billion registered members and over 300 million monthly users. A place to grow your career to unfathomable heights, and a place to boast about your new internship position. Wikis and blogs are ways of sharing interesting things with other viewers. These are places ripe with information, some better, some worse. If none of it's of interest to you, you'd be the first. These can be one-way streets of information in the case of most blogs, where it's just the poster posting and the reader reading. Although some blogs will have comments enabled, thus creating a two-way street. Wikis can also be a two-way street, where the poster posts, but the reader can also post as well. This is the case with Wikipedia and many other wikis that involve community feedback. Cybersecurity, a vast and constant threat to all who browse the web and the internet. It's a game of cat and mouse that has no winner, one that leaves unknowing bystanders financially ruined. Threats come from all around. Every link you click, every email you open, every Wi-Fi system you connect to could download and steal your information. The threats can also come from a larger scale as well, such as bad actors who hack into large companies to steal your information. You must do your due diligence to stay aware of current threats. You must make sure everything you sign into is secure, and you must make sure the way you sign into them is also secure, with things such as two-factor authentication and strong passwords. This is your duty as a digital citizen. Content management systems, otherwise known as CMS, are an infrastructure that allows users to accomplish their desired goals without the need to code. Such systems as WordPress or OpenText. OpenText is what you call an enterprise management system, which is the large business subset of general CMSs. The cloud, or as some call it, distributed networks, is a great tool for many applications. The most popular ones are Google Drive and iCloud. These are used for storing files and images, along with sharing those files and images in a quick manner that's not easy with traditional ways of transfer. There is some risks though, as with anything that is on the internet. You can be hacked by social engineering, by phishing, man-in-the-middle attacks, etc. So it's not the best place to store super sensitive data. Open source is a better way of making apps. By making it open source, people can build upon and improve your tool. Apps and websites such as Pinpot, GIMP, Audacity, the list is endless, honestly. Along with being free, these also build great communities around them because of how open and community-driven they are. Mobile apps, something we all use, even our grandparents. Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp boast over 3 billion monthly visitors each. Mobile apps are a massive market that is only growing as more and more people get phones. These apps can also be a danger because they allow you to scroll for hours upon hours, killing your brain slowly. Danger that is within arm's reach at almost all times. The future of e-life is now. With the advances of AI and many other technologies, we are at a point of all or nothing. Either AI brings humanity to a new level, or our exorbitant use of it will wipe us all out. But there's some other cool tech too, like 3D printing. This has allowed small and independent designers to produce products that would have taken them thousands of dollars otherwise. There's also a new kind of computing that seems promising in the field of simulation, quantum computing. This is yet to be mass-produced, but when it is, it will be an incredible tool for research into the intricate details of our world. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.